Dear students, in this video, let us discuss more examples on the transformation of sentences. To begin with, let me recall Sophia, her relations and the work of the relations which we dealt in part 1. Sophia stands for so, or, but, et, and are coordinating conjunctions used in compound words. It is to be placed in between two independent clauses. Sophia's sister as, other sister unless, boyfriends though, although, even though, own unknowns if, Sophia's other twin unknowns when, while, or subordinating conjunctions used in complex sentences. It is to be placed before the dependent clauses. Because of, in case of not, in spite of, despite, in case of, on are phrases used in simple sentences. Read the sentence, the mountain was steep, but she was able to climb it. Change into complex sentence. In the given sentence, but is the coordinating conjunction. Remove the but and add the subordinating conjunction, that is Sophia's boyfriends, though, although, even though. We can use any one of them to the sentence. Though the mountain was steep, she was able to climb it. Now look at the sentence. There was a heavy rain. The children ran home. Use so. So is the coordinating conjunctions. It is to be placed in the middle of two independent clauses. There was a heavy rain, so the children ran home. Understand the concept well, otherwise you cannot solve the problem. Change into complex. In this sentence, otherwise is the coordinating conjunction. Remove it and add suitable subordinating conjunction in the beginning of the sentence. Sophia's other sister, unless, is the subordinating conjunction. Unless you understand the concept well, you cannot solve the problem. 50 candidates appeared for the interview, but only Sheila was selected. Change into complex. In the given sentence, but is the coordinating conjunction. We have to remove it and add the suitable subordinating conjunction. Sophia's boyfriends, though, although, even though is a suitable subordinating conjunction. Now rewrite the given sentence. Though 50 candidates appeared for the interview, only Sheila was selected. Ramesh did not know Spanish, so he wanted a translator. Change into simple. Here, so is the coordinating conjunction, which means the given sentences is in compound. To make it simple sentence, first we have to remove so and add the related phrase, that is Sophia's sister as will always cry to cause because of. Secondly, the finite verb know is replaced into non-finite verb by adding ing to the verb know into knowing. Now let us rewrite the sentences into simple by using the phrase because of. Because of not knowing Spanish, he wanted a translator. Do you think what we have changed is correct one? Yeah, it is incorrect, because in the question, Ramesh is a subject. When we rewrite into simple, we use he wanted the translator. That is, he as the subject. Hence, we had to replace he into Ramesh. Because of not knowing Spanish, Ramesh wanted a translator. A simple sentence has a subject and a finite verb. Now, in this sentence, Ramesh is the only subject. Wanted is the only finite verb. Smita carried out the survey and presented her report. Change into simple. In this sentence, and is the coordinating conjunction. And has two phrases, in case of as well as on. That is Sophia's and if possessing with can or will, speaks positively having the phrase in case of. Sylvia's twin Annan when and while do coincide actions having the phrase on. Now we have to choose which phrase to be used, in case of or on. To choose the right phrase, identify the verb whether it possesses will or can in the sentence. In the given sentence, there is no verb used as will or can. The finite verbs that are used in the sentences are carried, presented. Thence, we identify that Sylvia's twin Annans do coincide actions having the phrase on is the suitable one. Secondly, the simple sentence must have one finite verb. So we have to rewrite the finite verb carried into non-finite verb carrying. Thirdly, Smita is the only one subject. So we can rewrite into simple sentence. On carrying out the survey, Smita presented her report. Now I hope you have learned the transformation of sentences from Sylvia. That is so, or, but, yet, and. Bye bye from Sylvia.